Hey, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, you're welcome, and I hope you stay. So today I'm bringing to you another healthy skin glowy drink. Without wasting time, let's just get started. The main ingredient over here is celery. So celery is a vegetable which is used for soups and stews, but it has very good skin brightening and glowing properties. I'll just go ahead and cut a piece. I'll cut them into smaller pieces and then I'll wash it. You need to take it out and wash it very well because you can see some dirt or even worms hiding in between. I'll also get a piece of ginger and cut it into smaller pieces. Finally, I've got some mint leaves over here. This has been washed very well and is fresh from the garden. After my celery has been washed, I'll just chop it into smaller pieces. I'll get my handy blender and put all the 3 ingredients into it. Now, if you have a juicer, the better. You can get 100% pure undiluted juice. But if you don't have it, you can use the blender. I'll come in with a little bit of water to help blend it. So I'll go ahead and blend till it's super smooth. Now, I must say, you can drink the pure celery juice undiluted or unmixed with any other ingredients, but the smell and the taste of celery juice is so not delicious. So the ginger and the mint really helps. With the help of a strainer, I'll just strain the juice from the pulp. And here we are. I'll go ahead and squeeze in some fresh lemon juice. And our skin glowy drink is ready. Now, people say you see great improvements within 7 days, but I must confess, I saw the improvement within 5 days. So basically, this is the first thing I drink in the morning. This juice can last only up to 2 days, so it's advisable to do it in smaller quantities and just finish it up within 2 days and go ahead and blend a new one. You cannot keep it for so long in the fridge. So celery is packed with the vitamin B's, and these are the vitamins you need for an elastic and younger looking skin. It helps get rid of blemishes and it gives you an even, natural, glowy skin. If you have this, you don't need any skin supplements. This will do all the job. So I hope you are going to give this a try, and if you do, let me know how it comes out for you. If you've tried it, let me know how you see it. If you've not subscribed, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to share this with family and friends, and don't forget to leave me that big fat thumbs up. Until next time, I am going to see you again with another nice and interesting one. Bye bye.